So at Colmore we have parking. It is secure parking via these electronic gates. You'll see that there's a maximum headroom of 2 meters, so you cannot be bigger than this. To get in, you need to have a key fob. So this fob, you just push the button and you see this red light, which means you can't drive in. When you push the button and hold it down, what will happen is the gates will open up and then you'll be able to enter. So you have to be close enough for it to trigger. You then must wait looking at the lights. And this is the traffic light system, because at the top of the ramp there's traffic lights as well, which warns other drivers up there. So as you can see now, it's gone green, so you can enter. You go up here. And parking is around the corner here. Please be aware that it is a tight corner and you need to be careful that you get your car around here and here. So please use your mirrors. And then you'll be instructed to park in the relevant bay, which is numbered according to your apartment. Thank you. So when leaving, you see this traffic light system here again. Green means you can go down the ramp. If it's red, it means a car is coming up the ramp, such as when they're opening the gates. So when leaving, please make sure you swing your car over to the right here and come round, and you will have to be very careful. It is a tight corner and you want to make sure that you clear your car on this side and be wary of the curb here. So go very slowly, and then when you head down here, get to the gates and you must have the key fob with you. To open up the gates, you see you don't have a traffic light here, but you'll see you've got to push the button again and this will activate the gates. Please wait until they're fully open before driving out, so not to damage your car and not to damage the gates. When they stop moving, then please leave. Thank you.